According to Plato, souls are immortal. Souls are immortal, pure, and possess innate knowledge. And possess innate knowledge. In their existence in transcendental realm. In their existence at transcendental realm. ट्रांसेंडेंटल की स्पेलिंग गलत नहीं लिखनी है. Transcendental realm. Full stop. When these souls come under the influence of sensual pleasures, when these souls come under the influence of sensual pleasures, they descend to the world of experience. They descend to the world of experience and souls become bound by the body. And souls become bound by the body. Full stop. एक arrow लगाओ. In this bondage, all the knowledge they possessed becomes faint. Therefore, in this empirical world, they must learn. Knowledge through recollection. They must learn knowledge through recollection. Therefore, proper form of education is not teaching, but to bring out knowledge from the student, through dialectic approach. ब्रैकेट में लिख लो asking questions. Also known as AKA, अक्का. Also known as को क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में? AKA, Socratic examination. फिर से एक एरो लगाओ, उसके नीचे लिख दो during questioning false opinion of person gets exposed. During questioning, false opinions of person get exposed and they naturally arrive at a rational conclusion. Rational conclusion, that is, knowledge moves from particular to universal. Knowledge moves from particular to यूनिवर्सल, particular to universal, comma, from object to form, comma, opinion to truth, opinion to truth. ठीक है,